Good afternoon. My name is Jimena Ruiz Salcido. Today we will talk about a reflection on situation that involve migrants and how they cope with their health through three texts given by the teacher of the subject of migration and health. Today we will see beyond the health immigration effects.
What are the main points of the reading documentary? When analyzing the text, I think that they are a focus on how migration impacts health, but from indifferent theoretical frameworks, the articles by Neymer and Rassum and Lu and Sang propose the paradigm of the healthy migration effects. Migrants tend to arrive in destination countries with better health indicators that the local population despite having more unfavorable socio-economic conditions. However, over time, what they call convergence theory occurs that in is the health of migration trends to deteriorate and become equal to that of the host country. One possibility explanation is the salmon effect. Many migrations return to their country of origin when they become ill or old, which generates bias in the host country's health records. Um, in the text by Piñones Rivera and colleagues, three contemporary theoretical approaches are revealed: social determination of health, living, work, education and housing conditions directly influence the health of migration. Transnationalism. Health is not limited to the destination country. Migrations might practice clear knowledge and care networks that cross border generation, transnational therapeutic landscapes. Structural vulnerability beyond individual factors, they are social inequalities, racism, job insecurity, and restrictive policies that place migrations at a structural disad- disadvantage. Overall, what I emphasize is the health of migration cannot be understood solely from a biological perspective, but must be analyzed based on social, political, and cultural factors that influence the entire migration cycle.
Was
What
there
was
anything
new
that
for me
was
on
confusion
China my
or unclear to
way
me?
of
Why?
thinking or
Yes, I
perceiving
found the
things.
ecosystems
The
of
most
different
novel
explanations for the
thing
health
for
immigration
me
effects.
was the
Some make
perspective
works of
of
for example,
transnationalism in
some
health.
authors attribute
I
it
used
to
to
the
think of migration
self-selection
health of
as
something
something
limited
people
to
to
the
migrate,
their life
while
in
other
their host country.
emphasis
I
the
now
statistical
understand
bias caused by
that
the
migration
return
often
of sick
maintain
migrants.
medical
Some
practice.
teams the two
Um,
theories seem to
family
contradiction
networks and
air
cultural
airs out
um,
Other
resources
bookers
that
in
cross
reality
border
take
can coexist and
travel to their
complement
countries
each
for
thought.
treatment, also
What creating
traditional
confusions
remedies, self
is that
medicines, or seek
the
medical care
results of
in
empirical
different
studies
contexts.
vary by
This
country,
challenged
migration
my
group,
perception
and
because it
methodology.
shows
I
me
also
migrants not only as
often
vulnerable
see the
subjects
pattern on social
but also
determinants
as
complex
people with
in
a
some
hands
states.
capable of
It is
creating creativity
present
and
and
resilience
abhorrent
strategies
and
to
useful
take care of
framework,
their health
but
even in
in
adverse
other it
contexts.
is
Critics said
what
that
was
having
new
become
for me and changing my
institutionalized
way of
it
thinking or
has
perceiving
lost
things.
its critical
The
nature
most
and
novel
no larger
thing for
exposition
me
to
was the
structural
perspective
inequalities
of
that cause
transnationalism in
disease.
health. I used to think what was new for me and changing my way of thinking or perceiving things. The most novel thing for me was the perspective of transnationalism in health. I used to think of migration health as something limited to their life in the host country. I now understand that migration often maintain medical practice, um, family networks, and cultural um, resources that cross border. They travel to their countries for treatment, also traditional remedies, self medicines, or seek medical care in different contexts. This challenged my perception because it shows me migrants not only as vulnerable subjects but also as people with a hands capable of creating creative and resilient strategies to take care of their health even in adverse contexts. What would I like to explore or learn more about and why? I would like to delve deep into the topic of structural vulnerability because I believe it more realistically explains why migrants and hectic seeks over time. Factors such as discrimination, exclusionary policies, poor housing conditions, or labor exploitation are not individual factors but structural ones. Understanding this help us see healthy not only as medical issues but as a reflection of social inequalities. I would also like to learn more about how inclusive public policies can reverse the deterioration of migration health. For example, in a country offers equitable access to healthcare and combats discrimination. Could negative conversing in a migration health be avoided? Personal professional example related to the topic are my personal experience. I have seen how some migrants closer to me are living in good healthy, but over the years do you work, stress, long hours, and lack of access to adequate medical care, they beginning to develop chronic illnesses such as hypertension or diabetes. This perfectly reflects conversation the theory. Furthermore, a real case in which migration family members prefer to return to their country or of of origin and for medical care because they trust the healthcare system more or have supported family networks here. This exemplifies the concept or transnational therapeutics landscape.
Very good. Finished the presentation. Thanks for watching. My name is Jimena Ruiz Salcido.